Today we're going to walk you through the process of adding a debit card to your Amazon account. Whether you're shopping for the latest gadgets or everyday essentials, having your payment methods up to date is crucial. Let's get started. First, let's add your debit card on the Amazon website. Open your web browser and go to amazon.com. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Hover over or click on Accounts and List in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, click on your account. Click on Payment Options. Now here, you can add a payment method. Enter your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now, after that, you need to enter your billing address as it appears on your bank's paid statement. This address is crucial for payment verification. You might be prompted to verify your card with additional information or a verification code sent by your bank. Review and confirm the details to ensure everything is correct. And that's it. You've successfully added your debit card to Amazon. Now you're ready to shop with ease and have your payments processed smoothly.